Jeff at Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Here we got a nice one, 2005 Bobcat S205 with a 1-ton lifting capacity and 66 horse Kubota diesel. This is a very capable machine. One owner trade-in. It has not been in the salt. When you look at the edges of the machine here and the boom, you do not see rust. You don't see the big flakes or anything like that on it. It's in very nice condition. Machine comes with a bucket, power Bobtach. It's got the 7-pin attachment control kit on it, so you're ready to run any Bobcat attachment. It's a standard flow machine. Tires are excellent. This is a vertical lift boom, so if you're loading trucks, it's the best boom to have. When it comes to power, simple to service, Bobcat Kubota engine. Just really nice shape. You can see it's a nice clean machine inside the door. Previous owner kept it touched up if it got a scratch on it. It'll come with a 68-inch low-profile bucket. We got a door, cabin heat. Key start. These Kubotas are so quiet. So there's our headlight button. We got standard flow. We do have bucket positioning on this machine, which is kind of cool. And you will notice that the bucket is leveling as it goes up. See how the bottom of the bucket is level at this point? I'll just show you quick. Turn that off. Shut it off right here. Now as we boom up, the bucket has got a curl on it. Anyway, what can happen if you don't have bucket positioning, the bucket itself will dump the load on top of the cab. Kind of a rookie mistake. Key start, it's got tunes. Listen to that. Speakers. Cab with heat. What more could you want? Tri-State Bobcat. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Give Jeff a call, 715-781-3940 on this 2005 Bobcat S205 skid steer loader. 1-speed, very capable, powerful, beautiful condition. It's had a good history on it. We'll do a full service. It'll go out here ready to serve you for years to come. Tri-State Bobcat, give Jeff a call, 715-781-3940. Thank you.